Right guys, we just received the Suzuki in a really bad state. The full front bumper is completely smashed. It's behind repair, but the owner can't find another bumper, so we're gonna find a way to repair the same bumper. The boot is completely in, which is gonna be replaced, but we're gonna have to pull it out everything because it's gone completely inside. As you guys can see, the light is popped, the bumper is popped. There's a lot of damage in this car, and watch the car now. I'm gonna show you the damage and watch the car when it's finished. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it.
What you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, advertising. You were not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh.
Okay guys, we finally finished the Suzuki. It looks like brand new. If you guys remember, this bumper was completely a mess, and we actually managed to repair the same bumper. Also the back is done, and that's pretty much. Let me get the car outside and I'll show you that. I'll see you in the next video.